Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Mog's Workshop. Mog's actual workshop, which is over here around this little corner. So where has Mog been? Has Mog fallen down a hole or has Mog been hit by an asteroid? Neither of those things, but might as well have been. I ended up moving house. Didn't plan to move house, but I did move house, and what happened then was all of this stuff ended up in boxes and I couldn't do anything for ages. Boo-hoo. Never mind, we're back at it now. Sneak preview of what I am building. Video up next week, unless I am actually hit by an asteroid. Here we go. Stuff happening over here. So what have I done in this studio here? Let's have a little micro tour, shall we? This area here is for plastic and plastic related plastic things. I've got these lovely little trolleys here that are all labeled. I bought a label maker. Look at this thing. I really love this thing. Oh, I can't stop labeling things. That's the only problem. So I've literally labeled everything twice. Okay, moving on. We've got some more little trolleys here. All sorts of tape and business. And here's a trolley, which is rather fun because it's got everything to do with electronics. We've got LEDs of all different kinds. Oh, talking of electronics, there's computers over there. Say hello to the computers. Exciting. Here we go. Here's all the soldering station there and all the little testing tools. Here's the circuit that I've started to build for the project. Doesn't look that good, does it? Hopefully it'll look better later. There's some more glue over there. Breathing apparatus and magnifying glasses. Should I need to see something teeny tiny. It's not completely finished in here. We've got this tower of hatred, which I haven't dealt with yet. Oh dear, have to get on with that soon. Moving on, as you can see, we've got all kinds of lighting so I can film things for you lovely people, and it should all work. Let's have a look at this. We've got all these little chairs. Look, tiny little chairs. Why do they buy tiny children's chairs? And how come they all match the colors? Look at this. Blue, blue, green, green. And there's purple, purple, and pink, and never mind. But what happens, pure happen chance, I just happened to buy these children's chairs. Why children's chairs? Because they're not that big, and they fit completely under, and they're just the right height. And it so happened that they matched all the little mats I had. Anyway, moving on, what we've got over here is, well, actually some more chaos that needs to be sorted out. I think I'm gonna build like a little area here for airbrushing, but at the moment, it's got a clock. What time is it? It's that time. Excitements. Here's some model kits. Ooh, all kinds of Warhammer to be doing in the future. And over here, more paints than is seemly. More paint brushes than is seemly, certainly. Can't stop picking up paint brushes. Can never have too many of those. Also, people keep buying them for me. Very nice of them, isn't that? Anyway, here we go. We can see all the paints and some Warhammer here sneaking into the scene. And beforehand, what I need to do is, I need a green. Where's green? Where's green? I need a green. It's in a box on the other side of the room. But now it's there. If I need green, it is there. I don't have to go searching for it. We've got oils, we've got acrylics, and we've got all sorts of things. We've got a spider web. Let's get rid of that. Moving over here to the purple station is where some more Warhammer is currently in production. But this is the painting area, and you can never have enough of these. Hello, cocktail stick, thank you. The most useful tool in my workshop. Anyway, here we go. Here is Mog's workshop as it stands right now, looking all kinds of fabulous. Every little square inch packed with bits and bobbins. And I will hopefully be putting out a video very soon of the next project, making all sorts of wonderful things in the future. Well, I hope they're wonderful, and I hope you enjoy them. In the meantime, there's a little update video just to say that Mog is here, and Mog is in fact right there, because as soon as I put this little camera down, I'm going to sit in that chair and make that thing for you. Okay, I will speak to you soon. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.